Hey, Brian Sensei here. Have you heard of OpenAI's new GPT Store yet? This is a place where you can go to discover apps created with ChatGPT. Let's check it out. All right, to get to the GPT Store, you're going to go to chat.openai.com/GPTs. You'll also find a link in the description below. All right, once you're here, you'll see that you can discover a variety of custom versions of ChatGPT that combine instructions, extra knowledge, and any combination of skills. We can click in here and search for a specific GPT, or we can click on the categories at the top to jump down and explore the different GPTs. Another thing you can do with the upgraded plan is you can come up here and click on Create to build your own GPT app. All right, so here we have the DALL-E GPTs that utilize the DALL-E engine to generate images. So we've got image creator, logo creator, cartoonize yourself, and so on. If you'd like to see more, you can click See More here. You can also click into the other categories, such as writing, productivity, etc. Now, I'm looking for a specific app related to music. I want a GPT that actually creates music for me. So I'm going to do a search for music right here. And boom shakalaka, look at all these results. All right, so we have a personalized music creation assistant for enthusiasts and creators. Sounds pretty cool. Here we have Music Maker, text to music creator. Ooh, I want to try this. So let's click into Music Maker. All right, we can see here another little description of what it does, and we can see the ratings. All right, this looks pretty cool. Let's get started. Down here, I'm going to click Start Chat. All right, and it says here, unfortunately, that it requires ChatGPT Plus in order to use this app. Darn. What that means is that you would have to upgrade your plan. Down here, if you click on Upgrade Plan, you will see that GPT Plus costs you $20 a month. But guess what? Have no fear. We can find this app and use it outside of the ChatGPT interface. I don't know about you, but I like to keep things free as much as I can. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go up here and search Music Maker. Notice here it also says that it's using Cassette AI. So I'm going to go to a search and I'm going to search for Music Maker Cassette AI. All right, and the first result is Cassette AI. And if we look at this icon and we go back and we see, yes, that is the same icon. So we know we have the same app. So check this out. I'm going to click into Cassette AI. And here we are. I'm going to click Launch Cassette AI. And boom shakalaka, we can now use this app without having to pay for GPT Plus. All right, so what do? We start with a prompt and description to use this app. So here we see some examples. I'm going to ask it for a specific type of music. Compose a Jamaican style rocksteady song similar to the artists of the 70s. And let's create music. All right, so I need to sign up. I'll go ahead and get signed up here. All right, let's try it again. Create music. All right, and it's composing the song. All right, looks like it's ready to play back. Let's take a listen. Oh, that sounds fantastic. All right, and look at this. We can come down, we can modify this, or I can go ahead and export it, or I can share it with someone. Mix and edit further. Really cool, free GPT song creator. You don't have to upgrade to GPT Plus in order to utilize many of the apps listed here in the GPT store. If you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.